All right. Let's see. I think we got audio this time. I'm gonna have to double check. Let's see. Let's transition into camera. Let's make sure this is working. I gotta pull it up because I had a whole stream with no audio, and now I'm not gonna do that again. But if you're here, thanks for coming. Let's see. I hear my audio. Okay. Sweet. All right. Welcome to Fork It. I am Justin Garrison, and this is the live stream slash podcast where we talk about open source. Usually, we're doing some developments, and the whole goal of the show is to find open source projects and fork them and contribute back. Send a PR. Hopefully, by the end of the stream and the episode. Today's going to be a little different because we're going to be playing a new game, and not like normal people game. Let me find my. Why do I have this twice? Cintiq and camera. There we go. Let's put me down in the corner, and we're playing EKS Cluster Games. And I see here that. Yes, you can hear. Thank you, Bala. Man, my other stream that I was here for an hour by myself, and then someone came in and was like, I can't hear you. And I was like, oh, that's not cool. But Manuel said that they already completed the CTF. So congrats on that. I have only done, I think, 2 CTFs in my life. One was in person, and I was terrible. That's when I realized just how bad I was at figuring this stuff out. So I'm excited to try this because those were like random web apps, right? Like you go to a CTF and you don't know what you're going to get into. And in this one, at least, is an EKS cluster. And I know a little bit about Kubernetes and EKS. So I hope to be able to do something here. Oh, man. I'm trying these salt packets in my water. And this one's unflavored and it does not taste good. First challenge you're about to solve. Awesome. So yeah, play along if you want to play along, but stay ahead of me because yeah, I'm not gonna stop, and my camera's out of focus again, and it does that sometimes. I'm also trying to get my music playing. I use Pretzel Rocks, which is just like it's like streaming friendly music, and I have a subscription that goes through December, but like all the channels are locked for me, and I don't know why. So I'm gonna have to email them. Maybe this one will work though. Okay, just to get a little bit of some sound in the backgrounds, especially one that won't take me down off YouTube. So, and I did figure out how to record with OBS and split the audio tracks finally. So, if you've watched any of the recordings, that should be good. All right, so let's dive right into it. Let me know if the music or something's too loud. I don't even know if you can hear it on the stream. Oh, and it looks like I got an echo again. Because I see 2 audio tracks. Oh. This is what happened on my second stream. Oh, no, okay. Never mind. Only one of them is going to the stream. The other one's going to the recording. Ah. That sucks. Wait. Okay. Hopefully my recording's not messed up because I have 3 audio inputs now. I don't know. Streaming is weird. So let's just jump into this. What's it? 9:06. Let's begin this challenge. Let's see what we're going to do. Challenge 10. View permissions. I'm going to have to move. Oh, this is way too low for me. Let's see. I have a secondary monitor that's below my main monitor. And I got to figure this out. Okay, welcome to the Wix EKS challenge. For your convenience, the following directories are persistent across sessions. Awesome. Use kube control to start. But wait, what is the challenge? Did it say anything? View permissions? Is that the challenge I'm trying to do? It says I'm root, but I'm assuming I'm in some sort of pod. What I usually do anytime I'm on a system that is new to me, that I've never been on before, is I basically look who I am, and then I cat OS release every time. It's just like a habit for me, because I want to know what the system is. And if I know what version of the system, so we're on 2204 Ubuntu, that gives me so much information around this is going to be app system. Oh man, my video's cut off. Let me see here. Why is that cut off? Oh no, actually it is. It's just cut off for me too. That I gotta scroll. No, go full screen. Okay, that's a little better. Okay, so where am I? I'm in user home. I have a bash RC and a cube. And a backup config. That's gonna probably be handy. Let's see. Oh, can I break this out? No. I can't make it its own window. Okay. View permissions. Oh, okay. So we just need a flag. What is that? I don't know what this means. Secrets get. Oh, this is the This is what I have. I can list and get secrets. Okay. So, but let's look at. This is probably more interesting than anything else. Certificate authority. There's my token. I could. Well, let's namespace challenge 1. Okay. Let's make myself this easier for myself. I don't know if you can see this. If you're having problems see this, let me know. Okay. So alias. Let's just start there. Let's just start with that. That's what I did all my certs too. I was like, I'm not gonna type that out every time. Okay. Cube. Oh, I can't list namespaces. I can get user in API group at the cluster scope. I have to do it in the namespace, right? Okay. Log rotate. Oops. I want YAML. There's my flag. All right. Sweet. That probably shouldn't have been that easy. But we're just paying attention, right? So if I minimize that, insert flag, check. Wrong flag. Oh, man. Oh, it's base 64 coded. I gotta remember, that's not a. There we go. Echo. Oh, gotta allow paste. Over privilege. Okay. That's our flag. What? Is it? Oh, I left some equals on there. There we go. Sweet. Next challenge. To be listed. Okay. Registry hunt. The thing we learned during our research, always check the container registries. For your convenience, the Crane utility is already pre-installed on the machine. Sweet. I can get secrets, and I can list and get pods. Cool. So with that in mind, let's double check again. Never assume. Okay, so I have the same. I can't get it. Cluster scope. I got database. Okay, so if we YAML source this cube control There's a, I gotta look up what there's a way to set it for the alias, and I don't remember what that is. Bash. Here's alias. Okay, let's just do it in the bash RC because it says home is going to be persistent. So I want tab completion. It's just helpful. That's weird. Not found. All right, we'll do it manually. I don't know if I need Control Shift. How do I learn all these commands? Oh man, I learned these commands by using Linux for 20 years. I'm sorry, I don't know a shortcut for a lot of these commands. This is mostly like trial and error of me primarily using Linux for my computer since 2002. Yeah, 2002 is when I got my first computer and I installed Linux on it. And then I just kept doing it. I don't know. And kube control commands is just using a lot of clusters. So we're gonna get the pod. We want output YAML. We want this pod. Image is coming from EKS Cluster Games. So I have a shortcut here, which is a very helpful search for a shortcut. You can add a search in Chrome to like search things. And I search for Docker Hub all the time. So I do dhub. EKS Cluster Games. Let's see what other images they have. Oh, that's interesting. Wait. EKS Cluster Games. Is this a private user? Wait. Explore. I don't want an official image. Oh, there's a lot of official images. I just want to find a user. Here we go. Datadog. So that I can go to... Oh, it's R. Okay. EKS Cluster Games. No repositories. EKS Cluster Games. Docker IO, EKS Cluster Games. I didn't spell that wrong. Yeah, it's a private repo, which means I have cred somewhere. Which was the thing I was looking for. You don't understand how to pass the token through the Crane CLI. Yeah, that's exactly like the path I'm going down. So I need, but does this user have, so there's a service account. It's gonna be an image pull secret. Do I have, I don't have a Docker folder, but this user can't get secrets, right? No, so I have to use the other user. It wasn't the one I just did. And I can't get namespaces, right? Okay. Do I have tmux? I don't know if tmux would work in this browser window. Okay, so get what? Cube control. Oh. Cube config. See, it's a different cert. Where is my image? Is the pull secret in the YAML? Volumes. Image pull secret. There it is. I should have access. Yeah, fine. Okay, so did I copy that? Yeah. Okay. Docker config. Yay for secrets. base64 to code. And we're just going to Docker. And we're going to throw this right into config. I think that's the name of the file. I hope so. So now if I docker config, I have that config with an auth token. Crane list ls. List the tags in a repo. I don't want the tags. I want to see all of the... Oh, I bet... Well, let's see. Oh, yeah. Well, let's... What was that image again? I wonder if they have like a different label on it. Export? Wait, sorry, I'm missing some of the chat. You should have access to the specified secret. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Challenge 2. Is there a... Oh, man, you're right. Wait, what's different here? What's the difference? They still have the same image. Is it going to be a different secret? Where is my... how do I don't know how to search without tmux. I always have tmux and I always can search for things. Okay, so wait, let's... Oh, was it the NS I was in? Does that show my namespace? Challenge 2. A4E. Oh yeah, you're right. Okay, so my kube config already sets that. So if I crane ls, nope, I want the image. Are there any extra tags? No. Get unauthorized. So if I look back at this index docker, I need that as my... I need index docker IO, not just docker IO. Nope, that wasn't it. I can crane export the image? Oh, okay. Well, thanks, John. Thanks, John. I'll look at that. Crane exports the image. Base X image. Unauthorized. So I'm still not authorized. I'm doing something with my auth wrong. I don't think it's that. Oh, well, I also don't have a tag on it. No, unauthorized. It's something with the crane auth. Do I need a... Isn't that an auth? Oh, it's a subcommand, isn't it? Login. Username and password required. So my token isn't configured correctly. Oh, is this also basics? Yeah, it is. You're right. Okay, there's my username and password. Docker config. Does it? Does it take? No, I don't want that. I could log in, couldn't I? How do I store it in? I forget. Is it username secret? Okay. That's it. That doesn't look anything like this. Server URL. Oh, okay. I'm going to move this aside and not use that. Okay, now Docker config. Did I copy those still? Yeah. Copy this out. Delete to colon. Oh. Delete to colon. There we go. Paste it in. Delete to that. Delete the line. Paste it in. Now let's see. Unauthorized still. What? Get index docker io v2. What am I doing here? No Docker. Okay. Crane auth login. Oh. Does this need to have index on it again? No. Added that. I got a redirect. It's v1. Yeah, I see that. Do I need to manually change that? Seems like a weird. Yeah, no, it's v2. I have credentials. Crane. Let's just manually do this. I'm gonna keep myself an actual notepad somewhere else. Cat Docker config. No. Okay. I should be able to crane auth login index.docker.io username that password that logged in. Okay. Oh, it wasn't a config JSON. That was my I didn't add the oh gosh. Okay. So does this work now? Latest. Okay, we have our tag. Now we can export the image. I didn't name it config JSON, and that was all my fault. I don't need those things. Char xvf base. Any interesting files? bin start stop daemon. I should probably grep it for flag. Nope. Flag text. There it is. Oh. Nothing can be said to be certain except death in Texas. Sweet. On a roll here. Check that. Next challenge. Based on real events. Team control. Clear images. Improve. Yep. Protect those secrets. Image Inquisition. A pod's image holds more than just code. Dive deeper into its ECR repository. Inspect the image layers. Uncover the hidden image secret. Remember, you are running inside a compromised EKS pod. All right, here we go again. So we're gonna want to look at pretty much the same stuff. Let's double check. Is this giving me a clean? No, because users persistent. Okay, now I'm in accounting. So they're configuring the cube config for me with a new challenge 3. That's why someone was mentioning the namespace earlier. That's already in there. Local endpoints, and so I just have a new pod. Can I see my permissions? I can list and get pods, and that's it. Cool. So let's pod. Oh, why is that not? I'm guessing I need the secret again. This is coming from here in ECR. We're in West. Central repo. So they're using an actual SHA here. I might guess there's extra labels again, but they've been doing good cleaning this up. So service accounts. Oh, they have a downward API. So it's using something from the host this pod is. Where's my image pull policy image? Just gonna throw this out. Image pull policy. Where's my pull secret? Oh, maybe I don't, I may not even need it, depending on my IAM permissions. Let's just see. Crane, login. Auth login. Okay, we do need username and password. And it's not going to be my current. Where's the pull secret? Does this one not have a? I can't exec into it. Image pull policy. There's no. Okay. And now I'm cold again. All right, let's see here. So I don't have a pull secret. What else can I look at here? I know the image name. I know would I... Wait, if this was able to pull it, I should be able to... Crane... I should have the same... Oops. IAM permissions. Unauthorized. There's a crane list repos. List all the repos. Crane catalog. Which step is this? This is the third challenge? Yeah, I'm on the third challenge. No, okay, so I still need auth. I'm in the pod. Oh, I bet I can get metadata. Yeah, this is the third step. Daniel, did you finish it? EC2. Nice. Do I have access to the metadata endpoint? Yes. Okay. So I bet I need my identity from this to get to the registry. You're stuck on the fourth? Oh man, that's not hopeful for me. I think Micah was stuck on the fourth. Micah was doing it yesterday. He's on the EKS team, and he live streamed it on Twitch. I think he said he got stuck on the fourth. Instance metadata URL. AMI ID. Instance metadata curl credentials. Yeah, latest metadata. That's not going to be... Oh, this isn't a new window. I want it to be an alt tab window. Instance identity document. No cluster role. Whoa, did that wrap? There we go. Access ID, expiration, secret key, session token. Now I gotta remember how to pass this into my Docker config. Secret access key. Security credentials. My role. That's Windows. Let's look at it again. Let's look at it again. Okay, so I have a session token. I have to be able to pass that somehow. My secret access key. Access key ID. Let me clear that for all of you. It expires. I don't know if that expires, what time zone that expires. Probably UTC. But I should, okay. Access key ID. I don't care about the ID. I just need the key access. Session token. and secure platform for both. What's platform? Oh, no, that's get token. Crane auth token. No. I don't have, I'm assuming I don't have the AWS CLI. I do? What? AWS ECR. There's a login command. Because I think that'll get. Oh, thanks. That's exactly where I was thinking. I was like, you know what? This is gonna be a lot easier if I have this. Login. Get login password. That's it. Get login. Oh, I could just describe images, couldn't I? I probably don't even need Crane. AWS ECR describe images. Oh, where's my image? Here. No, that's status. Here. Repository name. Do I actually need to split that out? Oh, describe images is going to be the, not the image itself. It's the whole. Right. No? Oh, duh. I have to actually. Unable to locate credentials. Okay, so let's try. It should use the metadata endpoint by default. Access key. Secret access key. This is in West 1. Oh. I didn't put the ID, did I? No. I don't know what this music is, but it's very weird. Access key ID. Yes. Oh, it's already set. Come on, let's go. Hey, security token included in the request is invalid. Did it refresh? I bet it refreshed. Let's see. PL. Yep, it refreshed. ID is the same. All right, GOU should be the same. No, it's different. Should be valid now. Don't expire on me already. Ah. Security token request is invalid. Why? Why is it invalid? This is all session token. Secret access key. Okay, let's see here. What's another? Can I don't have Docker, but I have to log into the registry. So I have to get credentials from the registry. Crane. ECR. I'm stealing an assumed role. Yes. Right? Like that's what I want to do, right? I don't know. It's not a normal user. I can't. I can't spoil us. I'm stealing an assume role. It's not a normal user, so I can't auth that way. Right. I treat it as a normal user. But it's, okay. Let me go back in here. So I don't want AWS configure is what you're saying. I think I'm going at the like, hey, maybe I go down the route of finding. I need one more thing and it's in front of me. Dang it. I need the session token. But I can't put. No, it's fine for the spoil. It's okay. I'm not like CTFs are fun for me and they're not like my identity in any way. And so like I enjoy doing them. I enjoy like learning from it. Trying. Oh shoot! You know, I thought of that. I thought that was something else. User ID. This is what user ID is that? Set envs? Now you lost me. Oh, don't use configure. Is it different when you don't? That'd be new to me. So wait. AWS. I don't think I knew it was different with the versus a config file. Environment is treated different. It's new to you yesterday. Well, thanks for learning it a day ahead for me. That's amazing. Yeah, export the AWS accounts and AWS, all of that stuff. Access key, secret, access key. Copy. My music stopped, and that's annoying. Access key ID here. Export secret access key. Here. And then session token. Role session name? Session token. There it is. AWS session token. I checked old docs Imagine I'm a AWS SSO and I need the user. The YouTube reaction emojis every time it blocks part of your comment, and it's the most annoying thing. Like two of the words are always cut off because there's a big heart there that I can't get out of the way. No, not that. Session token. Thanks. Thanks. Bump that up a little bit. So I'm assuming you mean this. I'm gonna get rid of that. Now can I describe images? Oh, repository. That's different. Not unauthorized. Error occurred when describing images. The repository with the name does not exist. What? Oh, because now I need the full image name. It's like, hold on a second. Central repo. Describe images. Oh, why are you mad at me? IT. Repository with name does not exist. What? Where'd my music go? I don't even care for this music, but I need music. It's too quiet without it, and I can't do like I can't just stream normal music because then YouTube will shut me down. CR. Whoops. Well, I hit enter. I guess I wanted to anyway. But I wanted help. No, I have it up here, don't I? What other commands are going to be helpful for me? Get download URL for layer. Get login. List images. Let's do that. I'm assuming there's not anything else in here. Will this at least let me see? No. Repository not found. What? Your camera is playing the same role. Yeah, I know. I can. I wonder if I can make myself more. No, it doesn't matter. I'm not gonna mess with it right now because I'll break it. Okay, so repository with the name does not exist in the registry. Oh, because wait. Repository name. Huh? Where I'm doing something easy wrong. Thank you so much for the I'm gonna look up. I don't know why. I don't know. I always assume configure would work, but that's really cool. Because I want list tags. I still need Crane. Does Crane use the auth automatically? Because that's really cool if it does. Crane. What was it? Catalog. Well, I can list the tags in a repo. No. Not authorized. So there's something else I have to do to configure Crane. Yeah, that's where I need the login credentials. Oh, I need to provide a... No, I don't. Okay. Crane, auth, login, standard in. I think. Oh. Password standard in. Crane auth login. And I need my repo. Password standard in. So I'm going to try to remember to keep moving that. Oh, AWS account. Yep. Oh, is it logged in? Username AWS. You're right. But wait, can I? Yeah, invalid. Good call. Thank you. Invalid auth config file. Oh, I need that. No, do I need it on the username? Let's double check. Get login password. No. I did it backwards, didn't I? Someone's helping me, and I know they are. Get login password. Don't I need the login password for this? No, because it gave me a login password. What does that do? Oh, yeah. Broken pipe. Nope. Login. But we like pipes, Daniel. We want to pipe things. It just makes it more fun, right? All right. Login. Registry. Username AWS. Password. The entire thing. Invalid auth config file. What? Go away, Docker config. I don't need you. Registry is the first parameter. Yeah. Auth login. You would think I could log into register. Invalid. Auth. What? I'm set? Are you sure? What do I have? I need the full image, don't I? Get. Why are you trying to go to Docker IO? Reading tags. What? No, this is trying to go. Oh, I need HTTPS, don't I? Do I need to set that? No. Because that automatically tried to put it on there. Why does it not think that this is a valid? First of all, you're wrong anyway. Vim docker config. Do I need to add that? Are you sure my repo set? Whoops. Wait. I didn't restart. There we are. Where's my exports? Here. I don't know. I don't have a latest. Temp 7C tar. Get manifest unknown. Requested image not found because I didn't do the tag. Duh. No, it's a SHA. Why did that scroll back not there? YAML image U. Oh. It is a file. I need to clean this up. Home lib 64 proc root sys temp user var. Okay. Tar xvf. How do I tar into a folder? Is it -O? No. Extract files into another directory. One top level? Okay. It's the most unintuitive flag ever. It's capital C. There we go. Thank you. Then I don't clutter it all up. Don't care about bin. What was I even looking for? I think the hint was something like there's a secret or layers. Dive into the ECR repository, inspect the image layers, and uncover the hidden secret. Because this is just one layer. So I would think I have to... this being one layer makes me think that they have something in an old layer. Was there a Docker file? Their tags are in the format? Yeah, it's a git commit, right? Is there a... I don't see a git directory. Was there a Docker file that I missed? No. Because it's making me think. What are we saying? Blah, blah, more words. Extract the tar again? I missed the layers? Oh. No. Spool. What did I miss? I missed something. Add shell. That's all normal. I should have 2 internal tars? Oh. How do I... Where's my terminal? Oh, why is the terminal in light mode? It's too light for that. Come on, what happened? I don't know why my terminal's not working now. And I'm missing a point. TVF? TVF. Cannot change ownership. Home, live. This all looks normal. I didn't see anything. I have to... Oh, did that extract it here again? Dang it. XVF extracted into the folder again. So if I need... I mean, Daniel, you completed this, so I'm assuming you're leading me in the right direction. Because I was going to go back to looking at the tags in the repo and see if there's a new tag somewhere. Some other image was my first thought was going to be. Let me go back in and see if the repo has a different image. But you're saying I have the image here in a tar. And there's something I'm missing. I exported the one that's being used in the pod, which is that image with Shaw. It's that second or third? Can I? I'm just gonna... Is there a latest? I'm just gonna... Maybe. I don't know. Latest. No. Okay. Was a thought. Maybe it's there. So I have this repo. Or I have this image. Well, that's the wrong image. But I have the image that I exported. Here. Exported this image into this tar. The hint is looking at the inspect the image layers and uncover the hidden secrets. So this makes me think it's got to be something with an image is not the layers, it's something more. Yeah, it's metadata around it. Can I can't. I could get all the pushed layers in. That's why I was trying to list all of the tags in here. I was trying to do it before and I was failing. I kept saying auth. Crane. Flatten an image layer into a single layer. Export a file system of container. Can I? Crane digest. Whoa, what happened there? I like Crane. It's not copying the whole thing. Why is my shell's not doing anything? Go away. Here. Wait. Can I wait? Oh, I want the manifest. Manifest. Get the manifest of an image. Here we go. So this is just, here's my two layers. So I should be able to, but that's the other digest. Config. My digest is this one. My two layers that I have are here and here. This one's much bigger. Can I export? Nope. At Crane. No. Was this a central layer one tar? That's a digest. It's not a layer. I need the artifacts. This is this digest. There's a get. What is it? Path. Print the full image reference by digest. Allow, no. I keep forgetting it's not a window, it's a tab. So if I export the top level, that's giving me both layers and it's compressing them into a tar. I need to get just the first image or layer. which is going to be an image I can download. When you extracted your export, you got 2 layers? Does it keep them separate? As a tarball, flatten image layers into single layers. Pull. Crane can inspect the config. That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for where, well, I was looking for how to get Crane. I know I just did this like fairly recently. You can get the like the actual URL of where the asset lives from the digest, and I'm trying to remember how to do it. Can I pull it? What happens if I pull it? Is it that one? Cache path format. Tarball. Here we go. Default is tar. Image. Oh, I need to give it tarball name. Maybe that's what you did. That's trash. Central. This pull is different than the one I had here. Oh. Okay, read all that stuff again. Tar. So a pull is different than an export. There you go. Look at that. So that's the difference. If I export, it squishes them. It squishes the layers into a single tar. If I pull, it gives me the layers one by one inside of the tarball with the manifest. Sweet. Okay, good to know. TVF. E7. E7-3. 7-3. 1. 7-3. Why can't I type that? Why don't I have a tree though? There's nothing in it. Okay. EF4, 3F4, XVF, 3F4, D into 3F4. Anything of interest in here? No. They got me digging. What about this? Do I have JQ? Please, please. Yes, thank you. I was a digest. Look at that. I wonder what that is. So polling will give me those layers because I had 2 layers in it again. All right. Oops. I was a digestar. So it doesn't exist anymore. Wait. No? I need this. Does that still exist? I mean, the layers still exist too. I'm overthinking it? I don't need to pull this? Crane pull. Oops. No. Okay. What about... What's the other one in here? Hey. Hey, look at this. Artifactory username. Thank you. Check. Sweet. Thank you all. All right. Instance metadata service. Move forward. The credentials will be readily available in the pod for you. Thank you. Thank you. This is great. And this is where, Daniel, you said you were stuck on 4, or Manuel, you were stuck on 4? Here's identity acquired. Try executing get caller ID. Okay. Oh, that's the, I got the key now. AWS STS. Does it tell me what I'm supposed to do? Where's the pod break? You're inside a vulnerable pod on EKS Cluster. Your pod's service account has no permissions. Can you navigate your way to access the EKS node's privileged account service account? So I don't have permission, but my node does. And it has a different service account. Please be aware, due to security considerations aimed at safeguarding CTF instructions, the node has restricted permissions. No permissions to Kubernetes. So this isn't a Kubernetes challenge here. We can be in the same hell. Welcome to hell. Okay, so this isn't a Kubernetes problem now. This is an AWS problem. I have some permissions in the pod as an AWS accounts because I have no Kubernetes permissions. So I'm going to need to figure out how to get onto the node. I did mean get caller identity. Caller EKS challenge cluster node group node instance role. I know my node name. So I have a full ARN, a user ID, and I have my account. I have an assumed role. And I have no Kubernetes permissions. All right. I have an assumed role. I'm assuming I would need to start with, but they said that I have permissions already. So how do I, my first thought here is I have an instance ID. Can I run session manager? Like, is that open? I actually like, So, where's the binaries? Releases. Linux. Where's copy? Actually, but this still needs I can't download? Do I not have like curl or anything? I have curl. It's protected? No, but I just need to get to the node, right? I'm assuming this is Ubuntu still. Try to download the binary? Is it just gonna like nope on me? No, it's not SSM. It's a different wrapper. Here, AWS SSM start session. Yeah. Okay. Target. Oh. Like if they left this open, that one's crazy. Right? Come on, do it. Do it. No, access denied. Okay. I assume so, but I thought I'd check. I'm not authorized to perform start session. Yeah. Okay. So, AWS CLI get my. Can I list my document? Describe permissions? No, that's OpsWorks. Get a token. EKS AWS EKS get token cluster. I don't know my cluster name. Do I? Well, wait. AWS access key. They provided it for me. Secret key. Session token. So, wait, did I export that stuff? That's my stuff. What is that? AWS reserved administration. Query R. No, that's just cutting it. The LOL or local config is the cluster name. My AWS session is actually with the node role. Yeah, local config. This is challenge 4. Server is there. Get AWS get token. So wait, what is this? What are we doing here? local CFG, right? Copy and pasting YouTube comments is always a good idea. What did that give me? Kate's AWS v1. Yes. Bala, what did I do? My AWS secret and key are the assumed role from my node. Yeah. STS get caller ID version. Here's the credentials. Nope. Here's the ID. Security token. Oh. Why is this invalid input down here? My Oh, I need the. Do I need the? Is it 2 or 3? That's invalid. Yeah, there you go. 2. I still got everything, right? No, I didn't. Okay, if I add that back, let's get signature. Where's this token? AMZ security token. Okay, so that's looking. So I have a security token here. And a signature. A token is a token. This is true. That's my session token. Is that the same thing? Credentials. You were here and went nowhere. This is not looking good for me. And I'm trying to get can you navigate your way to access the node's privileged service account? I'm trying to get into the node's service account. And that's the same, right? All the rest was just chopping out. Yeah. What was in it? It is not because you're executing this as node. Try to decrypt the jot. This is definitely the wrong. Where am I going? Wait, but can I use this? Can I just yes, CLI. It's not this one from the AWS get token. I mean, if I set this as my, but this isn't formatted right, is it? Yep, this one instead. Like I can't just export this as my session token, right? That's too easy. No way. Bala, are you serious? No way. That doesn't work. That can't work. Are you serious? No. Must be logged in. Is it using no? I can provide a jot. My cluster name's not correct? Or was that when I was getting the token? Local config. List clusters. Okay, access denied. But my cluster local config is not correct. Thanks for the help. This is helpful. But that's this is challenge 4. This is cluster local config. Okay, wait. Try to do some guessing based on the info I already have. Guessing a different cluster name. Can I Can I decrypt the cert and see it? Wait, where'd that go? If I look at this again, remote config. That's not right. Wait, that's literally what it's called? No. No. Why did I get a token then? I was gonna oh right, is that the cluster name? But that's not. Wait. Is it? Am I? Oh man, I'm just like I'm thinking of too many things at once right now. Hold on. Do I need to update the kube config with the cluster name, or you're saying my token command is wrong, and my cluster name? Because even though this is returning something, this is still wrong. Because that's not. One trick is that any string is valid with EKS get token. Okay, didn't know that because it's just doing a local sigv4 signing operation, but the token it spits out won't be valid in the cluster. Cool. Today I learned. That's awesome. The value you're using for the flag cluster name is wrong. Okay, so it will always give me a token. It just won't be valid. Good to know. So again, my thought is I should decrypt this, which will probably show me my cluster name, right? It'll show me one of the endpoints if the endpoint is named. No, maybe it only shows me the IP address. Do I have OpenSSL? I do. Okay. Again, I'm probably going down the wrong path, but that's my thought of how I can get this cluster name. Thank you, Matt. Let me struggle for another minute, but I'm assuming I'm going down the wrong path here. But if I don't need to decode the JOT, and there was nothing in my notes. Kate's AWS ID host. Looking to see if I'm missing something else. Why is my web page not loading? I have no patience for this. Yeah, this seems safe. There we go. So nothing. Shouldn't this give me my? I thought it would give me the valid endpoints. DNS Kubernetes. That's internal to the cluster. But that's not the cluster name. because that's what my internal endpoint is going to say, because that's local DNS. X Kate's AWS ID, is there a value? Where did it go? X Kate's AWS ID. Signed headers. That Kate's AWS ID? Host. This is HTML escaping. Signed headers. Host. I don't know enough about this part for sure. Credentials. We're in US West 1. This is semicolon? Oh, the encoding there. Thank you. So that? I can say I guessed my way through this part a bit. It's not sure there was a more obvious way I missed. But is like that's not. And there's no way to verify that token without just trying it. So if I'm going to do that. Oh, I already had quotes. Must be logged in. Okay, wait. I'm gonna go get some water real fast, and I'm gonna think about this as I walk to get water. I will be right back. And someone else tell me once you. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know where the name is. I'm missing the name. Is the cluster name challenge 4? I was walking away and I'm like, I bet it's challenge 4. And it's so annoying that I have to try it every time, don't I? Okay, so we sign that. Then we grab this. Well, someone had the JQ command, right? To get the whole thing. Copy. Token. Oh, did that not paste? Why is that? This shell gets messed up sometimes. Oh, I didn't change it again. Other things were called challenge, so I'm just going for it. Come on, please, please, give me a pod. No. Okay. That was a thought. It was something I was thinking about. We're eating some Halloween candy because it's November 3rd, and we still got lots of it. The only thing I'm missing here is my cluster name. While I mentioned this, I'm not sure where else to find this. Go peek at the outputs. Oh, because that's going to have the... Matt, yes. I did that in the last round. I didn't even think about it. Because that's going to have the credentials of the role, which will have the cluster name in it. Yes, you're right. Thank you. EKS Challenge Cluster Node Group. Challenge Cluster? EKS Challenge Cluster? Oh man, this shell sometimes. Is that right? Yes. Cluster. No resources found. There you go. Thank you. Thank you, Matt. That was it. Oh, hold on a sec. Someone's messaging me and I need to reply. Where'd it go? There it is. 1 second. All right. No resources found. Get namespaces. Can I do that? Well, this is a token for... No. Okay. Can I get my nodes? Well, I know my node. I know my node name. Can I... So I could exec onto it? Nope. Cannot list the resources nodes. What's the cube control? Can I? It said not challenge 4, right? That was the first error. No resources found in challenge 4 namespace. Or I can go to cube system, right? I guess that'd be the place to look. Auth can I? That's the word I'm looking for. I was like, it's not just can I. Oh. Oh, but there's a way to list it, right? Oh, it's a plugin, I bet, isn't it? That's like a crew plugin. I can list pods. There's a table though. Access matrix. Boom. Right? Yeah, this is it. Releases. Oh, give me the compiled. Oh, can I list? Aha. Thank you. I can create tokens. I can get and list pods, secrets, service accounts. I can get a lot of stuff. Sec. I'm supposed to go to a conference, and my family is not feeling great for me to be gone. So I'm trying to transfer this conference ticket to someone else, and the conference started today. So sorry for the distraction. Cube alt equals oh, I don't want to list. Dang it. Wait, let me just export the token. I don't need to keep doing that. I have the name of it now. Nope. I can't list nodes. I can get secrets. Service accounts? Service account challenge 4. Is this gonna, this is just gonna be my pod. I'm trying to pivot to a node. Cube alts. What can I do again? Nope. Service account secrets pods. Service account tokens. Debug essay. Oh, is that interesting? Did I listed the secrets though? There's a defaults. Who alts it SA all. No. Where, but I can't list my namespaces. This is in challenge 4. Nope. Guessing I need to go after that. This resource names. Non-resource, so I can get the token for, but I can create a service account token called debug SA. What would I do with a service account token with a, oh man, it's already 11 o'clock. If I create a service account token, what would I do with that? Because I can't make a privileged pod. I can only get in lists. So how would I reuse that? Create SA. Can I create an API group? So maybe that's not. I do need to stop here in a little bit. I have kube control access. I need to get to the node. I'm assuming I'm 100% of the way there on this one. Do I have to do it with a service account? That's that. I'm going to go down a wrong path if I don't have to do it with a service account. But I don't know what the service account's going to get me, because I can create a service account, but I still need to get node access. Privileged node account. Think back at challenge 1. Challenge 1 was a different kube config. Wasn't it? That's all it was. But I listed the... I can get all of this stuff. I can get API. Oh, but I can't list those. So... node flag. Thanks. Thank you. I am my own worst enemy. In this task, you require a node service account credentials. For future reference, these credentials will be conveniently accessible in the pod for you. Fun fact, the misconfiguration highlighted this configuration challenge is a common occurrence, and same technique can be applied to any EKS cluster that doesn't enforce IMDSv2. Next challenge. Kate's identity acquired. What? Keep control. Who am I? You successfully transition from a limited service account to a node service account. Great job. Your next challenge is to move from the EKS to the AWS account. Can you acquire the AWS role of the S3 Access SA service account and get the flag? Sorry to hear about Matt. I don't know if I told you. I'm going to KubeCon next week. I don't know if I told anyone actually, because this was kind of a new occurrence for me. I will be in Chicago, freezing with the rest of you. So I hope to see you there. I would love to I don't know, buy you food or something to thank you for helping with this. Yes, I will be there. Okay, what? Okay, so I have a IAM policy, a trust policy. Oh man, this one's gonna be more than what I can do before lunch. Oh, and then oh man. Okay, well, thanks again for helping. Okay, so secrets I can get in lists, service accounts I can get lists, pods I can get lists, service account tokens I can create. Trust policy, I trust my web token with OIDC endpoint. So I'm going to have to abuse this OIDC endpoint. Challenge flag buckets and the flags there. So I need to get credentials. I can get objects and I can list buckets. So that's what I'm after right there. I have to AWS get it. S3 print that flag, get that object. But I have to get the credentials to get to that. Can you acquire the AWS role of the S3 SA service account? Right there. That's my, okay, yeah. So this is using AWS IAM for pods, URSA. So that's saying, here's your cluster role, your challenge cluster role. Go out to the OIDC endpoints and get this signed by the endpoints. And when you get it signed, then you have credentials to do whatever this role can do. Because that's why this trust policy is here. We trust anything that this OIDC endpoint is going to sign for us. And create a token. I don't know what I need here. In my IAM policy, is this the policy? This must be the policy of this challenge role. S3 role. Challenge EKS S3 role. Namespace challenge 5. Now, when this web token, when this gets a token, it's got to put it somewhere. And if I remember correctly, it puts it on disk. There's a token again. Well, that's a call. AWS. How would I don't know enough about the OIDC signing. This is where Micah on my team has walked me through this multiple times, and I'm sorry, Micah, I always forget what you say because I don't do it again. I do it once while you're showing me the thing, and then I forget it. This has been a 2-hour stream. Thank you all for sticking around so long. I think I'm gonna have to pause it here and maybe come back to it. If I do come back to it, I will probably try to record but not stream what I do, and then I'll throw it in the Fork It's final episode or final recording, because I edit all these so they're much shorter. So if you want to see if I finish this or not, feel free to watch the Fork It that I will release probably next week. Although I'll be in KubeCon, so it's gonna be late. But yeah, we'll see if we get through this. I'm assuming I have to take this token, get it signed by OIDC, because I have a trust policy here. Like, they're giving me all the hints of what I need to do, I think. But I don't know how to pivot from that. Like, I don't know how to say, hey, this is who I am. Let me in. Oh, yeah, I do. Yes, I do. Of course I do. Because this is... Oh, no. This is just this. I can't list them everywhere. So there's no pods. Nothing's using it. That's all I got. And there's my debug SA. I didn't even get that last time. This is a dummy servers account with empty policy attached. Oh, well, thanks. Okay. So yeah, I'm going to stop the stream. Thank you all for all the help. I would be on challenge 2 still probably if I did not have your help. But I am going to try to work on this a little bit more, and then I'll add it to the final video. So have a great day. And hopefully if you're at KubeCon, come say hi. I will be there at KubeCon. I get in on Monday. And yeah, I'll be around. So come find me. I don't know how. Like, it's a big place, but I'll be around. And yeah, thanks for following along with Fork It's if you're subscribing or on YouTube. But again, thanks so much for the live stream. Talk to y'all later.